Okay. I'm gonna replace one of these. We're gonna make this easier with drill. Don't go too crazy. The screws are small. Okay. So you're gonna take that set screw off. Okay. And then there's two screws up here. One there, one there. You'll see them. We're just doing it out in the garage because we're gonna take this in the apartment because they broke this. Sucks that you gotta do the whole thing, but you do. At least it's the. I mean, maybe there's a different way, but I don't think there's a quicker way. So, get all that like that. Okay. Just list out. To make it even easier, pull these little pins out if it has them in there. So, I wish I can. Okay, I got it. How you can see it. So there's these little things here. That's all you do. Maybe without dropping it though. So you can do that. Push that one up. Out of the way. So you could have done it while it was like this, but I was just trying to show you what it looks like. Take. Do it like that. You have to trim them a little bit. And voila, okay? Take and just give it a little bit of a twist like this to make it a little easier. And the apartment doesn't need the bar or anything. The bar is fine. They broke the plastic, of course. Just set that in there. Oh, just a little side note. This has like this, because it sits in that plastic a certain way. So, yeah. Whatever, just put it in there, you know. Good work. Just keep it for the next piece. Sometimes, I don't know if I can get it out to show you. Maybe not. Maybe not sometimes. Sometimes there's just a little plastic piece. And it doesn't usually, there. Sometimes there's left on it. Make sure you grab it. It's part of the setup. And then it's kind of supposed to be like a way to, it goes in. There's these little grooves. And you'll see on here, I don't know if you can see, but there's little, you can fill them. You just take it, just try your best to just kind of line it up. Seems about right. There you go. Cool. Now it's sitting there. So all I need to really actually take with me is this and this. If it's, this might not be needed though, because on the bar, there's only one here and here. So in theory, you can set it at this section or this section for where it drops. But then there's none of this, so they just didn't think ahead. They didn't put it on each hole so you can, you know, lock it from sliding up, but whatever. Don't think too hard on it. Cool. And you just do this in reverse in the apartment. I had this out in the garage, so I just did it in the garage. Did the video out in the garage to show you. Say recording in one of the apartments.